Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting essentials out of the way so the intelligence can run Update iPhone 14 to the latest iOS now. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and make sure iCloud syncing and any iCloud Plus features you need are active. This lets models use your data securely. Make sure Siri, location, and microphone permissions are granted, and free up at least 5 GB so processing and local caches can be created. Now open Settings to enable Apple Intelligence. You enable Apple Intelligence in Settings, then toggle the main switch to active. This initializes local models. Next, choose Personal Intelligence so the phone tailors suggestions to you, and prefer on-device processing for privacy and speed. This reduces cloud round trips. Grant per-app permissions for mail, messages, photos, and keyboard so intelligence can make contextual suggestions. Finally, tweak suggestion frequency and predictive settings to match your workflow. You finish by validating behavior. Ask Siri context questions, send a message to see smart replies, and open photos to confirm summaries and live text functions. If suggestions seem wrong, fine-tune permissions or clear learning data in settings to retrain the model. If things still misbehave, reboot the iPhone, toggle Apple Intelligence off and back on, and make sure iOS is up to date. That sequence resolves most issues because it refreshes local models and permissions. Contact support only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.